All right, everybody. Today, we're going to try keto pizza.
Keto pizza? What the fudge?
Because we're tired of freaking steak. Would you like to try some keto pizza?
Yes.
Let me wave my magic wand. Bam!
Oh, look how growled is your magic wand.
How about that? What we got here?
That one's yours.
Keto pizza.
It's cauliflower crust.
There are 3 carbs in 2 slices. 132 calories per slice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 slices. Let's see
Let's look. It
what it looks like.
like pizza.
It looks like pizza. It tastes like pizza.
Tastes like pizza. Are you sure this is a cauliflower crust?
Yeah, I said so. No sugar.
Oh, if you taste just the crust end, it tastes different.
Yeah.
Without the toppings.
Comfort food for the fall. Just in case you need a pizza.
Cauliflower crust.
Woohoo! Ain't that great, guys? 700 calories for the whole pizza. 3, 6,
9 carbs.
9 carbs for the whole pizza. I'm not even gonna eat the whole pizza. I'll eat 3 pieces. Hey,
Oh, and today we ain't had any carbs. We had heavy whipping cream, coffee, bacon, and an egg.
that all we had? Huh? All right.
We ain't ate supper. This is supper. We just ate breakfast and we didn't eat nothing else.
Well, all right.
That's it.
Y'all have a